Yeah, good morning to everyone. Ma. Yeah, today is the last class for second unit for combinatorics. Ma. So that is the most important problem in the pigeon hole principle. Ma. There is a one time they are asking in the university question also. If we select 10 points in the interior of an equilateral triangle of side 1 centimeter length, that is a one. Show that there must be at least 2 points whose distance apart is less than 1 by 3. We need to show that. So select a equilateral triangle of side. Each side is 1. The length is 1. It may be a units, 1 units, either centimeter or meter, whatever you can take it as. Show that there must be at least 2 points whose distance apart is less than 1. At least 2 points occupy the same position. Like a pigeon hole principle we can apply for here. Sometimes the same problem they're asking for 5 points less than 1 by 2. Sometimes they can asking. Okay, let's take a triangle ADG or ABC, whatever you can take it as. I can take a triangle ADG. So all the sides should be 1. We try to show that is 1 by 3. The distance should be less than 1 by 3. So in the triangle, all side is a equilateral triangle. So I like to choose all side is like 1 by 3. I like to choose it. That's why I can the left hand side and the side of the triangle I can divide it by trisection, 3 equal parts. This is a 1 by 3. That's why I can using for trisection. Suppose here 1 by 2, I can go for identify the midpoints, this place, midpoints. So this is a ABC. So there are trisection, 3 equal parts. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 length. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 this side. Here also 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Try to join all the points. That's why I can write let ADG be the given equilateral triangle. The pairs of points BC, that is the side AD, EF in the side DG, HI in the side GA. So respectively, I can take it as. So we divide the triangle ADG into 9 equilateral triangle. That is a trisection of all side. We can get a 9 equilateral triangle. Suppose if we can write 1 by 2, that is a midpoint meaning, then 1, 2, 3. We get 4 equilateral triangle we can identify. Each of side is 1 by 3. Okay, the 9 sub triangles may be regarded as 9 pigeon holes. We can consider as a 9 pigeon holes. And always the pigeon hole should be lesser than the pigeons. Then only one or more pigeons should be occupy the pigeon holes, more than one pigeon holes. So like 10 interior points may be regarded as 10 pigeons. Now we can try to fix any point. So in each triangle we can put 1 point. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 points we can occupy in the all the equilateral triangle. All our distance is more than 1 by 3, because inside I can take it as is a more than 1 by 3. The distance between one triangle to another triangle, it should be more than 1 by 3. Now I can put the 10th point. There is no other option. I should be occupy in any one of the already put the triangles. So I can identify it here or any other place. So 2 points are take in a same triangle. The distance should be less than 1 by 3, because the triangle all side is less than 3. So interior point should be less than 3. So there is no other way. But therefore, the distance between any two interior points of any subtriangles cannot exceed the length of the side. So namely 1 by 3. It is not possible, because if you can take a alternative right angle triangle, if you can take a perpendicular, the height of the triangle, it is also less than the side. You can join any 2 points interior of the triangle. It should be less than the length of the side of the triangle. Here the length is 1 by 3. That's why I can choose the length as 1 by 3. What they are less than is given, that side length you should take the equilateral triangle. So the same problem here, 5 points, here 1 by 2. Sometimes they can asking for 2 mark or 6 mark, like etc. That is also one more important problems. Okay, nearly 120 students are joined. Please inform your friends, try to join. Okay, I would like to move on to the next problem. I would like to use for board. That is a homework I will be given. In how many ways can the 26 letters of the English alphabets be permutated? Show that none of the pattern call, dog, pun, and bite occurs. Okay. Just I can stop the BPT. I like to go move on to the board. Ma. Yeah, just 2 minutes. I check the board. Hello. Students, are you audible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, we can do the problem for here. In how many ways? The question is, in how many ways can the 26 letters, in how many ways can the 26 letters of the English alphabet to be permutated show that the none of the pattern like it is a call, the pattern is call, none of the pattern call, and another one is a dog. The next one is the pun or bite. So you can permutate the English alphabets. 26 letters is there. You have to permutate. I don't want the none of these patterns. These 4 patterns didn't come. So we can using what problem here? We can using already we can study the inclusion, exclusion, recurrence relation, and then the first topic induction method. Which you want to use for here, ma? induction method or recurrence relation or inclusion exclusion principle, which you can using for here.
Inclusion,
None of
exclusion,
the
sir.
pattern. Yeah, inclusion exclusion only we can using, and then none of the pattern. Mostly the question asking is for it is not divisible by none of the patterns. So always they are asking not divisible by none of the pattern. So we can assume that it is possible, and then you can identify subtraction case only we can do it for here. So here I like to assume that. So first of all, first you can take it as yes, yes or a, whatever you can take it as. So all possible cases, 26 letters, that's why the totally I like to take it as yes, the 26 alphabets. So number of way we can permutate it, number of way we can permutate it. And what do you mean by permutation, ma?
Without repetition, sir. In order.
What? So permutation actually it is a arrangements, combination is a selection. For example, if a B C, there are three persons is there, we can arrange the students like if A can fix CB one way is another way. Next, B can fix in the first position, then AC, then B CA, here C AB, C BA. This is the permutation for all the three we can arrange in 6 ways. That's why it's a 3 factorial ways. There are n persons, we can arrange all of them. It is called 3 factorial. NPN, that is a 3P3, that is a formula. That is called a permutation. Selection from ABC, we can select 2 members. How many possible? Either AB or AC or BC. This is the 3 way we can possible to select any 2 members. Don't bother about AB or BA. We can select AB. Either first you can choose A or first you can choose B. We don't bother. That cases will be divided for here. That's why the NPR formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. For NCR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial. The repetition, like in AB and BA will be differ for permutation. In arrangement, A and B, B and A, both are different. But selection, both are same. That's why can repetition, we can divide for here, that is r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. How many of them repeated, I can divide by here, it is r factorial. That is a formula NPR. So NCR, it is a selection. Pick the ball or select. That is when the cases we can use NCR. For permutation, we can arrange the students or we can arrange the letters. Then we can apply for permutation. That is the difference between permutation and combination. That is a selection and selection meaning combination, arrangement meaning permutations. Here also I can using for permutated. Number of ways we can permutated the English alphabet. The English alphabet. The English alphabets. So number of ways is there, 26 factorial ways. S is 26 factorial. A modulus of S. Normally we can write count how many elements is there. So modulus of S indicating for how many elements. There are 26 factorial is there. Upper let A1 in the permutation that can occur the let A1. Just I can take it as let A1. Number of ways can permutate the English alphabets that occur the word car. That occurs the word car. Number of ways we can permutate the alphabets. English alphabets with the pattern call occurs, or you can add CAR. How many ways possible, ma? How many ways this is possible? Students, can you tell anyone how many ways this is possible? Modulus of A1 is how many ways it is possible?
3 factorial.
24.
Actually, there are 3 letters always occurs together. So from the 26 letters, total we have 26 letters. From the 26 letters, I can remove the 3 characters, 3 letters. And these all the 3 consider as a single characters. That's why I can add factorials. Total letter minus the entire characters plus the entire character call as a single letter. That's why I can add it for 1 times. So 26 minus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 24 factorial ways. Are we clear? Anybody got a doubt? This is a 24 factorial ways. Anybody got a doubt, ma? Students, if anybody got a doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, similarly, A2, I can take the pattern is dark. A2, I can take the pattern as dark. Here also the same 3 letters, none of the characters are repeated. In case repeated, we want to divide. But here also determinant of modulus of A2, that is also 24 factorial, modulus of A3 also 24 factorial. What about the modulus of A4? That is a byte.
26 minus 4, sir.
Yeah,
Plus
26 minus 4 plus 1 character. So that is equal to 23 factorial ways. So that is, we are using inclusion exclusion. First individually we can find out. Then I like to move on to A1 intersection A2. A1 intersection A2. What is the formula of A1 intersection A2? The modulus indicating for count. Total letter 26 minus A1 and A2. Join the A1. This is the A1, this is A2, A3 and A4. Yeah, tell me, ma. A1 and A2 combination, how many characters are there? 6 characters.
Sir.
Yeah, none of them is repeated.
Plus
That's why I
2.
can minus 6 and plus 2. So 22 factorials. Similarly, for A1 intersection A3, ma, that is also the same, 22 factorial. A1 intersection A4, how many possibilities is there?
26
I think 7.
minus 7.
Yeah, 26 minus 7 plus 2. So 28 minus 7, 21 factorial. And A2 intersection A3. A2 and A3 also 6. So 22 factorial. A2 and A4, the same formula, 21 factorial will come. And A3 intersection A4. That is A3, A4 will come, it is a 21 factorial. There is no other possible way. So first individually 4, next terms, this is the term is there. Then next 3 combination ways, 3 way of combination. How do you can take it as the 3 way of combination? The modulus of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3. How many ways the total letter 26,
26 minus
A1,
9.
A2, A3 minus 9 and plus 3 characters factorial. So 6, 20 factorial will come. Then next move on to for same one, count A1 intersection A2 intersection A4. Total character 26, so total letter, the character on the 10. 6 plus 4,
minus
10.
10 plus 3.
Plus 3. So
9.
minus 7, 19 factorial. Okay. And one more combination, A1 intersection, so A1 is over. A2 intersection A3 intersection is A4. That is also is a 20 factorial. And the last case, A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection A4. That is equal to total character 26 minus 13
Sir,
characters.
A2, A3, A4, 19, sir.
Oh, A4 is okay. A4 will come is a 19 factorial. Yeah, correct one. Next, A1, A2, A3, A4, total 26 and 9 plus 3, 13 and plus 4 characters are there. 17 factorials will come. So this is the first step. We need to find out it. This is the first step. We can find out all the cases. Okay. Next, we move on to. So try to copy. I like to erase the board and then I move on to the next one.
sir, board.
Now it's clear, Amang. So entire character is 26 factorial. So out of which A1, A2, that is I like to chase A1, A2. We can choose any other way. So try to inform your students, inform your friends to join. Nearly 140 is there, including faculty members. Only 140 only is there. Completed. Can I move on to the next step, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question is asking, we are here only we can find out how many possible the characters will come, only we can find out it. But question is asking none of the pattern occurs the pattern. Appa I like that is A1 does not occur. A1 bar, intersection A2 bar, intersection A3 bar, intersection A4 bar. That is a none of the case occurs. Appa we can identify total possible, that is a yes. Total possible value is yes, minus how many ways possible to occur all the cases. That is a minus. We already studied the inclusion exclusion formula. First, you can identify individual. Summation of I is equal to 1 to 4 AI. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus, plus, minus. Next, plus. Summation of I is equal to 1 to 4 AI intersection AJ, A1, A2, A3. But double summation will come. Summation of J is also equal to 1 to 4. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, like etc. Next to minus. Similarly, I can write summation of AI intersection AJ intersection AK. And the last case is plus A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection A4. That is the last case. Last case, sum of the values is possible. Okay. So first individually you can write inclusion exclusion. You can start from here. Plus, minus. Normally you can write. Here I can subtract it. That's why the sign will be changes. First minus, plus, minus, plus. So here you can substitute what is the value for here. Here the 26 factorial
26.
minus, I think AI 24 factorial, 3 times 24 factorial, and plus
In
1 time, yeah,
23.
plus 1 time 23 factorial. The next step is plus double the value 1, 2,
22
3.
into 2.
Yeah, here also 21. 22 into 2, 2 times 22 factorial, and plus again
21
2 times
factorial.
1 factorial. 2 times 21, 1 time. Here the value 22, 22, 21. I think 22 is 3 times will come. 22, 22, 22. And also 21 also 3 times is coming. So 3 times 22 factorial plus 21 factorial minus, next 3 combination is 20, 19, 19. Yeah, only 120 is coming.
290, 120, sir.
20 and 219. So 2 times 19 factorial plus 20 factorials. And the last cases, and 19 last case 17 factorials. So this is the way of combination. Then finally you can simplify and tell the answers. That is your final conclusion of the answers. Once you can simplify and then final answers, you got it the values. So this is the way of inclusion, exclusion we can using. Okay, that is a way of procedure. So that is the most important questions asking from inclusion and exclusion. One of the topic is asked from inclusion and exclusion. Okay, next we move on to the next problem. That is you can using calculator, you can simplify. That is the final answers. Okay, I copy this one, man. Can I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. I like to up this. Please try to copy. Okay, I like to up this one. So next one more, some different problem. One time they're asking in 2 mark, and part B also sometime we can expect it to ask. Repetition of permutation and repetition of combination. How to find out the repetition of permutation? What you can write, ma? Suppose a 3-digit number. How many possible we can write a 3-digit numbers? The letters can be repeated or non-repeated. That is not a possible. Like a 3 places is there. The numbers, the characters are repeated or non-repeated. So repeated cases. How many possibilities is there? What is the how many way you can chances to the first place? The letters comes from 1 to 9. Ma. 0 not included, 1 to 9. How many possibilities is there? For the first place, how many possible is there? We can choose 1 to 9. How many
9.
way we can choose?
9.
Yeah, 9 ways. Second one, repetition is allowed. That is also 9. Here
9.
also 9. So that is a 9 cube.
Sir, board.
One second. Okay, now it's okay, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So repetition is allowed, meaning so 9, 9, 9. So 9 cube. That is a permutation. It is a repeated way. That is it's a R cube. Out of n, we can repetition meaning n power r. Normally we can say is a total power to the cell. N power r. That is a repetition in permutation. Okay, repetition in combination. Combination meaning selection. Normally we can write the NCR, we can write the formula. The n should be greater than or equal to r. Normally we can study. Now the repetition meaning n is less than r. No, that's why you can repeat it. எடுத்த பர்சனே திரும்ப செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். That is a repetition is allowed. That is a permutation. அப்போ how they are repeated? Suppose only 2 box is there and 3 identical ball. R oda value 3, N oda value 2. So here one ball, here one ball, another ball. There is no other option. Pigeon hole principle, like it should be occupy the same either here or here. There is no other way. That is a repetition in combination. The formula to find out, this is the permutation repetition formula, n power r. For combination, n plus r minus 1 c r. R, the formula n plus 1 r minus 1 c n minus r. Already you can study the formula. NCR equal to NC n minus r. Both are same. 5C1 5C4 answer same தான் இருக்கும். 5C1 5C4. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. 5C1 5C4 answer always same. So NCR equal to NCN minus r. The same formula I can apply it for here. That is my n. That is my r. When you can subtract NCR is n minus 1 will come. NCR, which is equal to NC n minus r. That is a repetition is allowed for here. NCR equal to NCN. This is the formula for repetition in the combination. That formula only I can apply it for the next step. Okay, next problem I can apply this formula. The problem is find the number of non-negative integer solution of the equation. Non-negative integer solution of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, which is equal to 18. Which is equal to 18. Under the condition is given xi less than or equal to 7 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. For I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So question 1, 2 mark meaning this is not given, it is called 2 mark. This condition is not given, then it is called as 2 mark. What is the non-negative integer solution? Non-negative integer solution for x1, x2, x3. Sum of the value, it should be 18. Non-negative, that is also 0 included. In a positive word is not given. Non-negative meaning 0 included. Only positive meaning 0 not included. So 0, 2, you can put any value, integer solution, 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever you can substitute. Simply for example, if I x1 plus x2 equal to 5, equal to 3, how many possible way of solution for here? how many way of possible solution for him? X1, X2 you can give the value from 0 to n. என்ன வேல்யூனாலும் கொடுங்க. Sum of the value 3 வேணும். What are the possible value? X1 க்கு 0, X2 க்கு 3 எடுக்கலாம். ஒரு possible. Any other possible? இங்க 0, இங்க 3. 3 plus 0 ன்னு ஒன்று போடலாம். ஓகே, இது ஒரு பாசிபிள். இது அப்படியே உல்டாவா மாத்திக்கிட்டேன். 3 plus 0 இந்த சைடு எழுதிக்கங்க. ஓகே, 1 plus 2. Yeah, அப்போ 2 plus 1. Okay, any other possible? That's all. Non-negative. அப்போ what? How many possible? 4 ways. அப்போ 4 solution இருக்கு. There are 4 solutions are there. இது practically it is not possible to find out for here. For condition also is given. If the condition is not given, this is the formula repetition of. Suppose the repetition also allowed, meaning that is also it's not repeated is possible. 1 1 is not possible. Okay, but this is the formula is n plus r minus 1 c r, or the formula n plus r minus 1 c n minus 1. Here n is indicating for number of variable only is a 2. How many possible the numbers? You can give any number of ways. So by n plus rc minus 1, here you can take it as the value of n. Right hand side value is total value is 3 ma. Here the value you can take it as for your r. So the n value 2 and r when I need 3, r order value 3. You can substituting for here 2 plus 3 minus 1 c 3, that is equal to 5 minus 1 4c3 ma. 4c3 equal to 4c1 already I told. So 4 ways. Are we clear? Anybody got the doubt? N is indicating for number of variable. R is indicating for what is your total. Anybody got a doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Suppose I like to take it as x1 plus x2 equal to 4 எடுங்கம்மா. இப்போ எவ்வளவு பாசிபிள் வரும்? நான் இப்போ ஆன்சர் ஃபர்ஸ்டே செக் பண்ணிடுறேன். அந்த ஆன்சரை தான் செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதுக்கு என்னோட வேல்யூ 2, ஆரோட வேல்யூ 4. அப்போ நம்ம ஃபார்முலா படி 2 plus 4 minus 1 c n minus 1 போட்டுக்கிட்டேன். That is a 1. இல்ல r யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 6 minus 1 5c1. So 5 ways வேணும் எனக்கு. என்னென்ன பாசிபிள் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. 0 plus 4 போடலாம், ஒரு பாசிபிள். 0 plus 4.
4 plus 0.
Oh, 4 plus 0. 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1. 2 plus 2. Any other possible?
No, sir.
That is a 5 ways. So this is asking for 2 mark. 2 markல the condition is not given அப்படின்னா, for example இப்போ இதுக்கு வந்து suppose the condition is not given, they are asking in 2 mark. What is the formula? What is the answer for here? Same x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 18. How we can find out the value? N value 4 for here. R value is 18. My answer is nc n plus r minus 1 c n minus 1 3. I can take it as 22 minus 21. So 21c3 will come. So about 21 into 22 into 21 into n into n minus 1 into 19 by 1 into 2 into 3. That is a calculation for here, ma. 10, 7. So that is nothing but 70 into 19, ma. So 70, 63, 133, yeah. So 1330 possible ways இருக்கு. இதே மாதிரி நீங்க எழுதி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1330 ways வரும் இந்த கண்டிஷன் இல்லாம. xi less than or equal to 7 condition இல்லாம there are 1330 solution is possible for these cases. That is for your 2 mark. 2 markல கேட்டாங்கன்னா n என்ன r என்ன ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டு how many possible way of solution we can write. This is applicable for non-negative integer solution. Non-negative only for 0 start பண்ணி you can give any value, totally 18. In the condition வந்தா we can try to go for inclusion exclusion principle பார்க்க போறோம். ஏன்னா x1 less than 7 இருக்கலாம், x2 less than 7 இருக்கலாம், x3 less than 7. அவங்க ஏதாவது ஒன்று தான் less than 7 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அப்போ இதெல்லாமே I can go for inclusion exclusion principle. அப்போ இந்த formula is applicable only for all the values are greater than or equal to 0. All the xi's are greater than or equal to 0. Whatever you can using the input value should be positive on the மட்டும்தான் அந்த formula applicable. Are we clear? Anybody got a doubt, ma? Anybody got a doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, can I move on to the problem? So now we move on to the problem. I can once again. Okay, problem is less than or equal to 7. Okay, the number of non-negative integer solutions. Okay, first of all, I can possible, not possible cases only we can normally find out. The same way you can go for, first you can go for the formula. For before we can write the formula, general formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to etc. xn, which is equal to r. For this cases, number of non-negative integer solution is, comma, for all xi is greater than or equal to 0, then the formula n plus r minus 1 c n minus 1 for non-negative integer solution. For non, otherwise xi is greater than or equal to 0, that is possible. Integer, and also xi belongs to integers. Non-negative integer solution is possible. This is general formula use panna. So using this formula I can apply for here. First you can normally take it as yes, what is the value? All possible solution first. Don't bother about this cases. How many possible solution for here? Already I told you the same one. N value 4. Before you can write here, n is equal to 4, comma, r is equal to 18. So s value is nothing but all possible cases. First I can take it as 4 plus 18 minus 1 c 3 n minus 1, that is a 1330. Already we can find out the value 1330. That is a n value, s value. Next I like to go for a1 a2 a3 or b1 b2 b3, whatever you can take it as. I like to let it as a1, same as it is in the previous problem. I can take it as a1. A1 is equal to set of all. There are 3 solutions, x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. x1 x2 x3 4 all are belongs to the set of values, belongs to the integer solution, then belongs to s. The s cases such that x1 mattu 7 irukamaina eduthukran. அவங்க less than or equal to 7 கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நம்ம எப்பவுமே inclusion exclusion opposite side தான் கண்டுபிடிப்போம். So less than or equal to 7 வேணும் அப்படின்னா I like to go for greater than 7 யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க போறேன். So less than or equal to 7 னா greater than, strictly இங்க equal to கொடுத்ததனால strictly greater than 7. So x1 should be greater than 7. இது எனக்கு 0 greater than or equal to 0 ன்னு மாத்துனாதான் that is possible. அப்ப இதோட மீனிங் என்ன? That is x1 is greater than or equal to 8. x1 is greater than 7 na x1 is greater than or equal to 8. So அப்ப that 4 now I like to choose let y1 is equal to x1 minus 8. அப்ப இப்போ y1 ஓட வேல்யூ எப்படிமா இருக்கும்? greater than or equal to 8 சொல்லியாச்சு. 8 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா greater than or equal to 0 வா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகும். Are we clear? அப்ப x1 க்கு பதிலா I like to take it as y1 plus 8. x1 க்கு பதிலா I like to choose it as y1 plus 8 அப்படின்னு சூஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்ப that 4 இப்ப a1 எப்படிமா சூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? a1 ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும்? that for a1 அப்படிங்கிற டேர்ம் எப்படி வரும்? x1 க்கு பதிலா I can choose y1 plus 8. அப்ப இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் ஆகும்? y1 plus 8 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 18. அப்ப y1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 10. For all x1 comma x2 sorry y1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 all are greater than or equal to 0. Now it is possible. All are greater than or equal to 0. Are you clear for this one? If anybody got the doubt? Students, if anybody got the doubt, ma?
No,
Hello?
sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So this is possible. Now I can apply this formula. In the case all are greater than or equal to 0 on I can able to apply this formula. Appa inga apply pannina what is the count of a1 n value? Here now the n value is same 4, r value as 10 ma. R value 10 minus 1 and c n minus 1 is 3. So 14 minus 1 13c3 no. Answer is 13c3. So 13c3 is nothing but what is the value of 13c3? 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 ma. Cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 na 4 இது again cancel na 2 6
176 sir.
176. Yeah. So 26 னு வரும். 176 ஆகுது 26 வரும். ஓகே எனிவே this is nothing but I think 11 ஆல மட்டுமே 26 into 11 26 into 11 6 8 286 ஆகாதுமா?
Yes, sir.
286 11 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா it should be 286 ன்னு வரும். ஓகே இதே தான் நம்ம இது எல்லா கேஸுமே. இப்போ x1க்கு எடுத்த மாதிரியே நெக்ஸ்ட் y2 சூஸ் பண்ணணும், y3 சூஸ் பண்ணணும், லைக் எக்ஸெட்ரா. அப்போ சிமிலர்லி a2 a3 and a4 all the cases are 286 on them. All the possible cases are 286. இப்போ only for I like to go for intersection cases. a1 intersection a2 இதோட ai intersection aj ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோமா? ai aj ஏன்னா எல்லாமே பாசிபிள் தான், எல்லாமே 7 தான் போட போகும். அப்போ இங்கே வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம எப்படி சூஸ் பண்ணோம்? ரெண்டு வேல்யூ y1 y2 ஏன்னா ஒரு கேஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன் 1 2 போட்டுட்டு இங்கே y1 plus 8 ஏன்னா xi is greater than or equal to 7 y1 plus 8 y2 plus 8 x3 and x4 வந்து no condition restriction that is equal to 18. இப்போ what is the value? y1 plus y2 plus x3 plus x4 that is equal to 18 minus 16 2 வந்து. So அப்போ for all y1 y2 x3 x4 greater than or equal to 0. This is also is applicable. This is you can apply. What is the value now? What is the answer? What is the count of this value? a1 intersection a2. What is the a1 intersection a2 value? What is the count? Here what is the value of n and what is the value of r? N value same 4. R value on the 2 minus 1 see r minus 1 use பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா smallest value r தானே. n minus 1 நீங்க 3 யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். 3 யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் no problem. n minus 1 6 minus 1 5c3 வரும். Okay 5c3 okay that is equal to 5c2 க்கு equal மா. அப்போ 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். கேன்சல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 10 ன்னு வருது ஆன்சர். ஓகே இதே தான் ஆல் த பாசிபிள் ai aj எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஆன்சர் வந்து 10 வந்துடும். ஸோ ஆல் த அதர் கேசஸ் இட் இஸ் a 10. ரிமைனிங் a1 a3 a1 a4 எல்லாமே வந்துடும். வாட் ஆர் த 3 கேசஸ்? 3 cases என்னமா பாசிபிள் ஆகும்?
y1 plus 8
இல்ல முதல்ல பாசிபிளா அப்படி கேட்க. இங்கேயே நமக்கு ஆக விட கம்மியாயிடுச்சு 2 வந்தாச்சு. இப்போ 8 8 8 போட்டா 24 அந்த பக்கம் போனா நெகட்டிவ்ல வந்துடும். ஸோ விச் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். இந்த கேஸ் ஆகவே ஆகாது. ரெண்டே ஸ்டெப்போட முடிஞ்சிடும். இது பாசிபிளே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு வந்து நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ வந்துடும். நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ வந்துச்சுன்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட். ஓகே ஸோ அப்போ திஸ் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். இதோட ஸ்டாப் ஆகும். a1 a2 a3 எதுவுமே ஆகாது. அப்போ தேட் ஃபோர் என்னோட ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் என்னமா ஆகும்? நன் ஆஃப் த கேசஸ் என்ன வந்துடும்? மை ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் இஸ் வாட் இஸ் மை ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர்? இப்போ a1 அதாவது a1 பார் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் a2 பார் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் a3 பார் a4 பார் நன் ஆஃப் த கேசஸ் தானே. தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டோட்டல் வேல்யூ எஸ் அதில் மைனஸ் சம்மேஷன் ஆஃப் ஏஐன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ai வேல்யூ சம்மேஷன் ஆஃப் ai பிளஸ் சம்மேஷன் ஆஃப் ai இன்டர்செக்ஷன் ஏஜ் அவ்வளோதான். மற்ற கேசஸ் எல்லாம் ஜீரோன்னு வந்துச்சு. இந்த மூணே பாசிபிள் மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு வரும். ஒன்லி தீஸ் 3 பாசிபிள் ஃபார் அஸ். ஓகே இந்த 3 வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா வாட் இஸ் தி ஆன்சர்? ஒன்லி தீஸ் 3 வேல்யூ யூ கேன் சப்ஸ்டியூட்டிங். மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் எஸ் டோட்டல் கவுண்ட் வந்து 1330. அதில் minus 4 times 286. Again plus this is how many possible? 1 2 1 2 1 possible, 1 and 3 were possible, 1 and 4 1 possible, 2 and 3 2 and 4 3 and 4 6 possible வரும். So அப்போ 6 what is the way? 10 6 into 10. So once you can simplify 1330 minus 24 balance 2 32 34 3 8 plus 3 plus 60. So 1390 minus 1144. So what is your final answer, ma? Once you can subtract, what is your answer? 1390 minus 1144. So subtract panning first value 6. So
246.
11. 226 வருதா? Okay.
246.
Sorry, 246 will come. Okay, try to check your answers. This is correct or not. I think 286 possible into 4 ways further. 4. Okay, ma. And 6 into 10 ways is there. 6 into 10. Okay. So that is your final answer, ma. Okay. So try to check that is your answers. So this is the possible way of identify the solutions. Okay. Are we clear? Anybody got that doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. That is the most important. Sometimes they're asking for here. Okay. Repeatedly, sometimes this is a 2 mark. Most of the time they're asking. One time they're asking the university question also in the 2 mark also they're asking. Ma. Okay. Anybody got a doubt, ma? So up to this, that is the second unit. That is the most important problems. These are the things they are asking. So compulsory, we can expected 1 8 mark comes from inclusion exclusion, and 1 8 mark comes from induction method. Another 1 8 mark comes from recurrence relation or generating function method. These three we can expected 118. Another 8 may be possible of PG on hold or some other combination or repetition of the problems like etc. So sure possible for generating function, inclusion, exclusion, like only the things, one more thing important. Inclusion, exclusion we can using, if 1000 divisible by 3 ma. Yeah, 3 ஆல divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா we can use like this symbol ma. Bracket க்கு பதிலா we can use like this symbol. This is call it as for a greatest integer function. இதை divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா answer is 3. Again 3, 3. That's all. You have to take only the quotient. Don't bother about the point value. Sometime calculator use பண்ணி நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மிஸ்டேக் பண்றதோட டேர்ம் என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போ 11/3 போடும்போது ஆக்சுவல் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நம்ம நார்மலா போட்டீங்கன்னா 3.20க்கு வந்து 6 வரும். 6 6 போகும், 6 7 வரும். நீங்க கால்சில ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் 4ன்னு கொடுத்துரும். கால்குலேட்டர் வந்து 4ன்னு கொடுக்கும். ஸோ கால்சில ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க, பாயிண்ட்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இங்க 3க்கு அப்புறம் டோன்ட் பாதர் அபவுட் எனி வேல்யூ. இது 9 வந்தாலும் சரி, இல்ல 0 வந்தாலும் சரி. 3.9 இருந்தாலும் we can take it as 3. 3.0 3.1 வந்தா கூட we can take it as 3. இதான் greatest integer functionோட மீனிங். So which is not divisible by cases எல்லாமே நம்ம divisible by choose பண்ணுவோம். டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது bracket வேண்டாம். This is called greatest integer function சொல்லுவோம். கீழே மட்டும் தான் லைன் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. That is nothing but quotient மட்டும் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். Don't bother about the point. நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இதை 4 போட்டுறாங்க. 3.6 இல்ல 3.9 வந்தா அதை 4ன்னு ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணி எழுதி ஆன்சர்ஸ் போடுறாங்க. டோன்ட் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப், ஒன்லி த இன்டிஜர் ஒன்லி யூ கேன் சூஸ். தட் இஸ் வெரி மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் இன் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ரிப்பீட்டட்லி தேஸ் asking in the university question, not divisible by 2, 3 or 5 like etc. That repeatedly asking. Okay, anyway, today I can send it the assignment too. I think yesterday night I can posted